Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred, and I'm going to be going over from the official College Board Study Guide Practice Test 3 Math Calculator number 8. And they're starting to get a little bit more challenging, especially because they're adding lots of words, and we know we hate to read words. So the average number of students per classroom at Central High School from 2000 to 2010 can be modeled by the equation y equals 0.56x plus 27.2, where x represents the number of years since 2000 and y represents the average number of students per classroom. Which of the following best describes the meaning of the 0.56 in the equation? So first, it said modeled by the equation. So I want to know what type of equation that is, and this is a linear function, actually. So I know that it is in the form, I look at it, y equals mx plus b. Now, we want to be careful because sometimes the SAT likes to put it in y equals b plus x plus mx. So what they're asking you about specifically is the slope or the average rate of change. Now, if you've watched any of my videos on this concept, linear functions in real life examples, I said to you that when you're thinking about the slope, it's really important to think that it's for every 1x, y is being changed by whatever that slope is. So it said that x is number of years and y is the average number of students. And I'm writing those down just so you can see them, okay? So for every 1 year, for every 1x, so for every 1 year, the average number of students per class is rising by 0.56, okay? So we're looking for something like that because remember, slope is a rate of change. So for every year, the total number of students is going up, okay? So let's look at the answers here. We've got, all right, that 0.56 represents the total number of students at the school in 2000. No, that's the starting amount. So no, that's not the average rate of change. The average number of students per classroom in 2000, no, that's just the starting value of number of kids in the classroom. So we're looking for the rate of change per year. So the estimated increase in the average number of students per classroom each year, yep, there you go. And then let's just look at this last one. It says the estimated difference between the average number of students per classroom in 2010 and 2000. So no, that's actually kind of trying to trick you there. This model is covering 2000 to 2010, and over that time period, the estimated increase in average number of students per year will be 0.56. So my answer would be C. So I always like to think about that rate of change. For every one of what x is, y is changing by m. Okay, and just as a reminder, b is usually the starting y value. So in this case, it would be the number of students, the average number of students per classroom in the year 2000. So anyways, hopefully that was a helpful video. If you need more information on this, I do have an SAT prep video on linear functions, actually several on linear functions that you could take a look at. Have a great day.